What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the heartbeat rhythm animation using the Meta AI. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, if you would like to create the animation fast and if you don't have any specific software to help you create the animation, and if you would like to create it for free and super fast, so this Meta AI can help you guys. And if you would like to access this Meta AI, then don't forget to do the login first with your Facebook or the Instagram account, since this Meta AI is still in one management of Meta. And here the homepage of this Meta AI, you can create the animation, you can add something in general, or create the regular or generate the image. And even you can also create an image like this of a modern football poster, for example. And if you scroll down, you'll see the animation that has been made by another user. The look can be super realistic, and each of the animation has the duration 5 minutes, and you can also extend it into 5 seconds, and you can also extend it into 9 seconds. And after that, you can start to put your prompt, for example, like this. If you don't have the picture about the heartbeat rhythm yet, don't worry. You can create it from scratch or create it from the picture over here first, like this. And kindly wait for the result. And usually, if you would like to generate or create the picture or the animation from this prompt, you will have 4 samples of this picture or animation. And since this is the picture, you can start to click which one do you prefer, and after that you can continue to animate it and kindly wait for the result. And usually the animation will show up here, or you can also find it here, and kindly wait for the result. For example, I will choose this one, and this will be the generation process. And you can also restyle it by, let's say, use this 3D style or anime style or even the Art Deco style or glowy style. Which one do you prefer? And after that, you can start to click this animation and let's watch the result. So this will be the animation, and if you like it, then you can start to download it and it will be officially saved into your device. So that's all guys. Don't forget to explore more about this Meta AI to create your own animation or picture. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.